In this clip, we're going to look at alterations to the layout or the structure of your home. Many people like to make changes to their home, and often this involves opening up spaces by taking out or moving walls. There are two important things to consider when you're doing this. One is whether the wall is load-bearing, and the other is whether the wall helps to form a protected route through the house to an exit in case of a fire. If the wall is structural, you'll need calculations for the beam, the padstones and the piers, and the beam will need fire protecting. All of this needs to be agreed and signed off by building control. If the wall protects a means of escape, it might not be possible at all to remove it. You might need additional fire detection and alarm systems, and this might affect possibilities for future alterations and loft conversions. If you want to take out a chimney breast, you need to consider that these hold up a lot of load and masonry on your roof. If you take out the entire chimney breast, that's okay, but if you're just taking out one of the lower sections, you'll need to provide proper support with calculations and inspections to make sure it's been done safely. This will need a structural engineer's input. You might want an architect for design ideas and liaison with your engineer. You need to find a reputable builder, and you need to ask for references and recommendations, and you'll need a contract. And you also need building control approval. You can use a full plans or a building notice application, but do expect to be asked for calculations for these structural alterations. You can generally start within 48 hours, but it's better to wait for the calculations to be checked and approved first. You'll need to arrange an inspection and agree the other stages that need inspecting by building control. And at the end of the job, you need to make sure that the work has been signed off and that you keep the completion certificate that you're given safely, as you'll need it if you ever want to sell your house. So if you're planning structural alterations, speak to building control for more advice.